Do you know you can use Google search operators for computer research and improve your SEO for free? Continue watching this video to upgrade your Google search skill to the next level. It's so simple and you can try it now. Google search operators are combinations of words and symbols that improve your online search results. In layman terms, it's like a filter feature in your Excel so can narrow down the info you want to see. I will introduce my selected 3 Google search operators which can become a powerful tool in digital marketing. The first is Site Google Search Operator. This operator limits your search to a single site. You can do a general search and quickly check if your index pages match up with your own database. Look at the numbers of the report results appear. Does it meet your expectation? Assuming your blog post is using the subfolder URL structure like /blog for every post, you can narrow it down just to check all the URLs that match this format. Want to know which page is ranked for a certain keyword of a domain name? Just type siteyourdomain.com, then follow the keywords. Google will show all the pages relevant to your query. If you see something like this, your site didn't have anything to show the result. So it can become a content auditing tool to restructure your overall website to your ideal target group of keywords. Next, you can use this method for computer research and look for opportunities. Wonder what's the pages already ranked for a certain brand? Just type site competitor domain, then followed by the keyword. It's up to you whether you want to develop new content they target a long tail keywords or similar title with even better quality. Most of the time, I would say using this method will let you discover more new ideas or low hanging fruit keywords for content marketing. The second is intitle Google Search Operator. Intitle tells Google that you only want result where pages include the search term in their meta title tag. This operator helps you understand how many pages target a particular search phrase. It's like a filter to only show the title tag that contain your desired keywords. I see this operator feature as an opportunity for keyword research, how to write an eye-catching title, and additional filtering for more specific results. Not to forget, you can combine with site operator as well. Keep in mind, this might extremely limit the total results shown in Google. Normally, people might have the tendency to aim for high volume search result keywords, but do bear in mind the level of competitiveness of keywords. The third is inurl Google Search Operator. You can drill down into the non-secure pages and audit your HTTP to HTTPS transition. For example, if you type site your domain and hyphen in your HTTPS, Google results will show all the non-secure pages. The hyphen means exclude. This command excludes words that you don't want to appear in the search result. In case you are still not aware, HTTPS is a ranking signal since 2014 and we emphasize again as one of the components for search signals for page experience in 2020. In short, please make sure your site is redirected to display only to show HTTPS. So now you learn about site, intitle, and inurl Google Search Operator. Actually, there are more other commands for advanced Google Search Operator. The sky is the limit. You know how to combine all the operators. Hope it will help you with computer research, content marketing, and SEO for your website. Okay, it's time for you to test all the Google Search Operator you learned from this video. Thanks for watching, and remember to like if you learned something or comment what's the biggest takeaway from this video. See you in the next video.